you like to use every bit of storage space you can? If so, stay tuned for how to turn a little narrow space into something useful. Welcome to Amazing Home Hacks. This short little crawl space in my basement is a great spot to store all sorts of stuff. One of the things we keep down here is kitchenware that we want to keep accessible, but don't use often enough to warrant a permanent spot in our kitchen. We've lots of space here, but there's also this corner that's prone to collect junk. The best way I know to stop junk piles from accumulating is to give them a purpose, and that's what's happening today. I'm going to add a small piece of pegboard to this wall. This will finish it off a little bit. Then when I add a few pegboard hooks, I will have a place to store some sheet goods. Pegboard hooks aren't just to hang things from. They're also great for propping things up. They sit at a slight angle, and with the ends bent up a bit, they're very good at keeping things from sliding off. A few screws with washers fastens the pegboard into the studs. Then the hooks go in to hold these baking sheets and drying racks. There's even some room left over to add in these wooden boards. When you see an empty corner that's not being properly used, think about what might fit in there and get creative. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks.